twice of Fontenoy the English column failed, and twice the lines of St. Antoine the Dutch in vain assailed. For town and slope were filled with fort and flanking battery, and well they swept the English ranks and Dutch auxiliary. As vainly through de Barry's wood the British soldiers burst, the French artillery drove them back, diminished and dispersed. The bloody Duke of Cumberland beheld with anxious eye, and ordered up his last reserve, his latest chance to try. On Fontenoy, on Fontenoy, on Fontenoy, on Fontenoy. How fast his generals ride, and mustering come his chosen troops like clouds at eventide. 6,000 English veterans in stately column tread, their cannon blaze in front and flank, Lord Hayes at their head. Steady they step down the slope, steady they climb the hill, steady they load, steady they fire, moving right onward still. Betwixt the wood and Fontenoy, as through a furnace blast, through rampart, trench and palisade, and bullets showering fast. And on the open plain above they rose, and kept their course with ready fire and grim resolve that mocked at hostile force. Past Fontenoy, past Fontenoy, past Fontenoy, past Fontenoy. While thinner grow their ranks, they break as broke the Zuyder Zee through Holland's ocean banks. More idly than the summer flies, French carolers rush round, as stubble to the lava tide French squadrons strew the ground. Bombshell and grape and round shot tore, still on they marched and fired. Fast from each volley grenadier and voltiger retired. Push on, my household cavalry, King Louis madly cried. To death they rush, but rude their shock, not unavenged they died. On through the camp the column trod, King Louis turns his rein. Not yet, my liege, Saxe interposed, the Irish troops remain. And Fontenoy, famed Fontenoy, famed Fontenoy, had been a Waterloo, were not these exiles ready then, fresh, vehement and true. Lord Clary says you have your wish, there are your Saxon foes. The Marshal almost smiles to see how furiously he goes. How fierce the look these exiles wear, who wont to be so gay. The treasured wrongs of 50 years are in their hearts today. The treaty broken ere the ink wherewith 'twas writ could dry. Their plundered homes, their ruined shrines, their women's parting cry. Their priesthood hunted down like wolves, their country overthrown. Each looks as if revenge for all were staked on him alone. On Fontenoy, on Fontenoy, on Fontenoy, on Fontenoy. Nor ever yet elsewhere rushed on to fight a nobler band than these proud exiles were. O'Brien's voice is hoarse with joy as halting he commands. Fixed bayonets charge like mountain storm rush on these fiery bands. Then is the English column now, and faint their volleys grow. Yet mustering all the strength they have, they make a gallant show. They dress their ranks upon the hill to meet that battle wind. Their bayonets, the breakers foam like rocks the men behind. One volley crashes from their line when through the surging smoke, with empty guns clutched in their hands, the headlong Irish broke on Fontenoy. On Fontenoy. On Fontenoy. On Fontenoy. Hark to that fierce as our revenge. Remember Limerick dashed down the Sassenach. Like lions leaping at the fold when mad with hunger's pang, right up against the English line, the Irish exiles sprang. Bright was their steel, 'tis bloody now, their guns are filled with gore. Through shattered ranks and severed files and trampled flags they tore. The English strove with desperate strength, paused, rallied, staggered, fled. The green hillside is matted close with dying and with dead. Across the plain and far away, passed on that hideous rack, while cavalier and fantassin dash in upon their track. On Fontenoy. On Fontenoy. On Fontenoy. On Fontenoy. Like eagles in the sun with bloody plumes, the Irish stand. The field is fought and won.